up guys, I'm recording on a new camera today, so I don't know how the sound is, but hopefully it's good enough. But yeah, I'm recording on this because, you know, wanted more stable videos, and now there's going to be more stable videos because it has a stabilizer. Anyways, it's been day 2 now. We landed here on the 4th. It's now 5th, 6th. 5th we did nothing basically, and 6th is today, so we're gonna go shopping to catch up on like some stuff. But this is my outfit. So I've got a hoodie that belongs to my sister. I don't think she knows that I've taken it. I've got a button on today. I've got a little small bag, jeans, and I'll probably wear that with Timberlands. So that's the look I'm going for today. But yeah, right, so there's Jyoti.
Hey guys.
So we're kind of ready to go. Got everything. We just need to take some bags with us. And yeah, so today I'll be shooting in this camera, so hopefully there'll be some A-class stuff, okay? But yeah, stay tuned. So basically I was trying to teach Jackie how to do a high five, but it was a complete flop the first couple of days, but by the last day I managed to do it. So okay, better. Oh, Nick, better. High five. Come on. Okay, the last step. Okay, high five. Come on. Say cookie extra cookie. What up guys, so we've just done a little bit of shopping and got some kapra. So basically for some, I've got a kapra for a lenga and one for a pensionada. So I'm getting those made. One's like purple and like a plum colour, and the second colour I got was, what colour was it?
Second color?
Oh, golden. I got a golden blouse. And then I've got a golden bend that I'm going to get made, Sharada bend, so I'm looking forward to that. But yeah, that's what we've done. We're going to go get some see if there's any ready-made stuff that we can check out. So we're going off there, and then yeah, then most of our shopping is going to be done, right?
Yeah.
Most of it, yeah. Peace.
हाँ जी मानसी जी, फिर ये की हो रहा है?
गुड़ खोल दिया।
चंगा सारा गुड़ पा लियो, घट ना रह जाए, पूरा मिठा बाद हो जाए तो कोई चक्कर नहीं।
गुड़ घट नहीं हैगा। पा देने को हम तो चाचू ਨੂੰ ਸਿਖਾ ਦੇਣਾ। ਉੱਧਰ ਤਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ
देख ला फिर मैंने बना के खिलाया करनी है, कोई नहीं, उसे तंदूर च सही फिर इलैक्ट्रिक तंदूर ओवन ले भी जस। हुण यह आटा तेरा नीयरली रेडी है।
ਜਿੱਤੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਤਾਂ ਮਿੱਠੀਆਂ ਰੋਟੀਆਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਪਕਾ ਲੈਂਦੇ ਆ। ਹੁਣ ਜੱਸੂ ਨੂੰ ਸ਼ਾਇਦ ਕੱਲੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਜਾਏਗਾ ਨਾ, ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਕੁੜੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਚਲੀ ਜਾ।
Hey guys, okay, so I haven't really vlogged much in Punjab because I've literally just been seeing family and stuff, but today we are going to Amritsar, so I will be vlogging the whole day today definitely, because I know like the last 4 days I've been in Punjab, literally I've just gone to see family and that's it, and that's because there's now double the family to see, but yeah, Jyoti's just getting ready, it's nearly done. I'm ready. It's 4 o'clock in the morning, I believe, and yeah, we'll be ready to go in a bit. We'll probably get there for around 5-6, so yeah.
सतगुर मेरा तान नितान सतगुर मेरा तान नितान सतगुर मेरा कर दीवान सतगुर मेरा कर दीवान सतगुर के हो सद बन जाया सतगुर के हो सद बन जाया प्रगट मार्ग जिन कर दिखलाया प्रगट मार्ग जिन कर दिखलाया गुर जैसा नाहीं को देव गुर जैसा नाहीं को देव जिस मस्तक
What up guys? Okay, so I'm back home. Didn't vlog that much this time round, but I'll go through my day basically. So this morning we left around 5 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock I think. Yeah, got there for like 7:30ish, 8. So then we stayed at Harmandir Sahib until like 10:30 I would say, 11 nearly. And yeah, we just sat there, listened to the kirtan. I did actually meet some of you guys, which is amazing. Some of you were from New Zealand, which was crazy, like literally blew me. I was like, I was not expecting that. But yeah, so I met you guys, that was amazing. But yeah, then I just did some photography around the complex, like because yeah, I'm into photography. So after that we then ended up going for lunch. After lunch we had to stop off and give stuff to someone, so we did that. We just drove back home and that's about it basically. So we haven't really done much, but like what we did do, if that makes sense. So yeah. What up guys? So oops, basically today I'm in this outfit. Let me show you. So today I'm in basically just this is the hoodie I got from, where was it? Oh my god, I've forgotten. I got this from Canada, from Guess. I've just got some jeans on, and that's pretty much it. I'm just going to put my boots on, which are down there, and that's my look for today. Jyoti's basically wearing red and black, and I'm wearing a bit of blue, but yeah, pretty much it. But yeah, so Majne katta ditta?
हाँ
They called it that?
नहीं एक और देना सी पता नहीं है देता या नहीं देता.
Okay, so मैं वो देखने जाना.
Okay.
Right guys, I have literally 1 minute because my memory card is completely full. We've literally came outside to get some more memory cards because yesterday was Sunday, so the memory card store was closed, so we couldn't do that. But yesterday we went bowling and just chilled and hung out with people, like, you know, and stuff, and just to spend some time with them and catch up. And then we went to Haveli to get some food, and today literally we've just done errands and we're trying to get everything done and pick up everything that we need to pick up from the stores, like lastminute.com. So literally that's all we've done. So we're just heading home now. I've got 30 seconds left on this memory card, so I'm trying to get all this in. But yeah, so we're gonna head home and then we're gonna, you know, chill and stuff, and I'll probably do some Desi Pindu stuff, hopefully, if I get time, because tonight we're going out again just to meet another family and pick up more stuff because they're not ready on time. So whew, that's a lot. Okay, but yeah, stay tuned. Peace.
देख बड़े हो जा.
What up guys? So I actually don't even know what I've been vlogging or what I haven't. Everything's such a jumble when I come here. Every single time it happens, and I don't actually know how to work out a system to vlog whilst I'm in India, because I see a lot of family, so I don't actually take my cameras with me. So even like today we went to go see some more like distant fam, and went to Guru Garden and forgot to take my camera, so I don't have footage of that. And then yeah, I just got a little bit of footage of today, just of us being at home. But literally it kind of sucks because I don't want to vlog, but then I just can't because there's not much to vlog. Like yesterday we were just gathering things from everywhere and we were just all over the place, and then last night even like we had nothing. We were staying around some relative's house, but we didn't have any clothes, we didn't have anything. Literally we just stayed the night with literally nothing, so we had to come home, shower here, and then get dressed before we headed out again to go see family. So literally it's just been a blur, and the things I've wanted to do in the bin I haven't been able to do, so there's like a lot of things I'm going to miss out on because tomorrow apparently family's going to come see us. I haven't even packed. I need to pack tonight and actually see how much everything weighs because I don't even know. I still haven't got my suit, so I'm still waiting from the tailor. I'm just all over the place, like literally I don't know what to do. So I'll show you my outfit though. Okay, so I got these from Amritsar when I went there the other day, and then I've just got my jeans and I've got a kurta on. I'll show you. So I've just got my kurta on and then jeans, and yeah, that's my look for today because I couldn't fit into any of my suits, so I ended up wearing a kurta. So yeah, so now we're just chilling with family, so chill for the rest of the evening, probably go to the tailor, pick up the clothes, try those on, pack. That will literally be the rest of my day. But I'll probably vlog whilst I'm packing and stuff, so yeah. Guys, so I have all those bags to put into my suitcases here. So yeah, I've got all that. I'm still waiting on the tailor for the suits, but some of them look amazing, like, oh, amen. And then if probably you guys may ask, I just look around, shop randomly, and I basically look for anything I like. There's no particular store I actually go to itself, because I did have those stores, but then sometimes like they don't really have the options that I want. So yeah, I just shop around randomly. I got 2 ready-made ones, and then I got 3 other dresses made, which are like sharara and like other styles. But yeah, I just found the material and just gave it to the tailor, so just matched things up. So like if I found like material in one store, then I went to another store and I matched it, and I was like, oh yeah, this could be an outfit, and then decide on what shape and what cut I want, and then to explain that to the tailor, which takes time sometimes depending on if they understand what you want. Sometimes I alter things a little bit. So yeah, I mean, that's what I got. And I just realized one of those outfits, I can turn it into a Punjabi suit, which will also look really good. Yes. So yeah, I mean, yeah, that's basically it. But yeah, Jyoti's suits are in the car. I need to get the stuff out of the car as well. So I've got a couple of things in there, and then I need to start putting them in and see how much weight I have and how much weight I can play around with. So yeah, stay tuned. Hey guys, so basically it's second day of me trying to pack. So I've successfully packed one. Here, it's all done. This has some of the camera equipment and stuff. So, and that we have half packed our suitcase. So we still have the rest of that to pack. We're just waiting on, I'm waiting on the drone. So once I've got the drone, because Jyoti's out with the drone at the moment. Once we have the drone, we can then, you know, pack that in and then start packing around it, because it's quite big. But that one I've hit 25 kg over. I mean, if they ask us to take anything out, I don't actually know what I would take out. But it's probably something I could take out and just hold in my hand, but you know. Anyways, that's the situation. I'm nearly there. We've just had relatives this morning to come say their goodbyes until we next come here. And we've got more relatives outside now, which I'm going to go and meet. And yeah, I mean, that's been my journey in India. Or in Punjab. So it's been eventful but busy. It's with family a lot, but yeah, stay tuned for the rest of our journey home. Peace.